How to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive. So if you want to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your Microsoft account. Make sure that you've logged into your Microsoft account. Now, once you've done, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with the left side, which has that app launcher. You'll have app launcher, just click on it, and then you will have Outlook and OneDrive right here. So you need to just click on Outlook, and once you click on Outlook, it will take you to this kind of interface where you'll have your Outlook. Now, if you want to save the emails from your Outlook, then you need to go and select an email that you would like to save. Once you've selected the email, you need to just go with the three dots, which will be on the top, and then you will have the download button, and you'll be able to download it as an EML or MSG. So we'll just click on download, whichever option that you're comfortable with, and it will start the downloading process. You can go with downloads, which will be on the top right, and it has been downloaded. But if it isn't downloaded, then you just need to simply click on it and then go with download unverified file, and it will start the downloading process again. That's it. It has been downloaded. Now you need to go back to your Microsoft account and then click on OneDrive, and you will have this kind of interface. Now you need to just go with your files, which will be right here, and under files, you need to just scroll down and then select the file that you've just downloaded from your mail. You can go with my files, which will be right here on the left side, and then just scroll down a bit and you will find Outlook file, or you will have the downloaded email right here. So you need to just go with your file manager, and under file manager, you can go with downloads, and under downloads, you will have the downloaded file right here. Just double click on it and then open it with Outlook, and you will have your file right here. Now you need to just simply go and drag and drop it to your OneDrive and open up your OneDrive, and you will have your document right here, which will be on the bottom. So that's how you can save emails from Outlook to your OneDrive. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.